Hi, my name is Alex Vanmeurs. I am a chicken and cash crop farmer just outside of Stratford, Ontario. Farming means everything to me and my family. It's what I've been doing my entire life, and it's a privilege to be in this line of work and be part of this industry. It's special to be able to feed Canada and the world. We've been working with Tirecraft for as long as I can remember. They have always been really good at taking care of all the tire needs that we have on the farm. We installed these tires 3 months ago and we did some spring tillage. The performance today went really well, considering that it is quite dry and also that we have some pretty heavy clay soils. And as most farmers would know, compaction is everything when you're driving around the field. One thing about the tires specifically that I really like is that they're at a low PSI and they squat really well. And that reduces a lot of compaction because there's a higher soil to tire contact. When I was driving it today to the field, it was very smooth and comfortable ride. We've had a very long relationship with Tirecraft. They've always done a good job of being able to source tires for all the different shapes and sizes of tires that we need around the farm. We're very happy that they've been such a great help for us. Tirecraft is helping Canadian farmers like me get ahead.